Sikhsha. Today I will share 10 Excel shortcut keys that will double your speed. Let's get started. So at first, Ctrl plus N, that means Ctrl N. Function, create new workbook, description, quickly open a new workbook. Next, Ctrl S. Press Ctrl S frequently to save your work and avoid data loss. Third, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste your data. Next, Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. So, undo mistake with Ctrl Z and redo action with Ctrl Y. Next, Ctrl plus arrow keys. Jump to the end of your data quickly, Ctrl plus arrow keys. Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Toggle data filters on or off with Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Next, Ctrl T. Convert your data into a smart table with Ctrl T. Alt plus equal to. Use Alt plus equal to sum an entire column or row instantly. Next, Ctrl plus 1. Open the format cell dialog box with Ctrl plus 1. And the last, F2 key. Edit a cell directly by pressing F2 without double clicking. These were the 10 Excel shortcut keys that will save your time and effort. If you found this video helpful, give a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe Sikhsha. Thank you.